Welcome to the DIY tutorial on how to make a tulle tutu. It's really quite simple, and this tulle tutu doesn't require any sewing, so don't worry. If you don't know how to sew, that's great, because you don't need it for this do-it-yourself project. So, in the past, I made a tulle tutu for my aunt. She's the one on the far right with the fox ears and the tulle skirt, obviously. But the theme for her costume was, "What does the fox say?" Because it was a hit, back in the day, or a while back. Anyway, this type of tulle skirt usually uses an elastic band, which you can see it's the white band on the right, and tulle. But this project, we're not going to use that kind of elastic band. We're going to use a different kind. We're going to use a crochet headband stretch trim, which is basically just a crochet headband. It's usually used for infants. And I decided to use this trim over the elastic white band because I'm making this tulle skirt for my baby niece. She was turning 1, and I was scared that the elastic band was too rough for her. So I used a crochet one, which is really, really soft. So for this project, as you can see, all you need is a crochet headband elastic, which is already sewn in a little circle. But of course, if you need it bigger, you can always get an elastic trim and then sew it. But I just used the already made one, which is the little headband. And it stretches quite a bit, so don't worry. But you use the crochet headband elastic, and then you need tulle. Now you can use the same color tulle or different colors. For this one, I'm using 4 different colors because her theme for her birthday party was a circus theme. And first, what you're going to do is get your tulle and cut the desired length of what you want. So I made this tutu for a toddler, so it was a lot shorter. So I didn't cut it very long and cut it pretty short because I was scared if I made it really long, she would trip. But you can make it any length that you want. Mine was just short. So ideally, if you're using multiple colors, you're going to cut the same length for each tulle for the desired length that you want. So you have your tulle cut out for all the colors. Now, once they're cut, we're going to get into tying, right? The tying part of the tulle. So what I use first is a Yeti cup to hold the crochet elastic. I put it around the cup. And you can use any kind of cup. I just used that one because it was wide enough. Then you get your tulle and fold it in half, kind of like a loop. And you pull it through one of the little holes of the elastic. And then once it's through the hole, you put the ends of the tulle, the bottom part, through the tulle loop and pull. So you're just doing that the whole process. So through the little loop, the ends of the tulle through the loop, and that's it. And you continue with this process of tying it all through the elastic band. Now, the crochet elastic band is really thick, so you're going to continue all the way. I started from the bottom, and you go all the way up. And this does take a while, so what I do is turn on the TV and watch something while I'm tying the tulle to the elastic. But when you're done, the tutu, this is what it looked like. It's like a big ball of fluff or a wig, which is good. You want it to look full. So that's another reason why I use the crochet elastic, because it makes the tutu look really, really full, while the other one's kind of thin. But that's it. That's all you need to do. You just need to cut, tie, and that's about it. And this is made for a baby/toddler. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please comment below. Thanks for watching.